What is up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's ride, we're just going out for a sunset ride, slow ride. Buddy neighbor Greg with his Onyx RCR. I'm on my stealthbomber here, and we're heading north to Santa Fe Dam. Just a leisure ride today. I almost bought a revv1 up, the full suspension electric bike today. I missed out. I was on my way to buy it from some guy in offerup. Then I realized I didn't have my car keys, and I looked all over the house to look for my SUV keys, and turns out Crystal took it to her work by accident. So I missed out, and someone else ended up purchasing it. But that could be a blessing in disguise, because I honestly don't need any more e-bikes, and I was just thinking about it in my in my collection. It would have been a slow bike in my collection, and my plan was to convert it to a 72 volts, but I think the dropout was 175 mil, and I would really have to tinker and rewire the controller. It's not an easy disconnect from my research, but it's fine. I'm not hurt by it, by missing out on that deal. That was the only reason why I wanted to buy it. He was only selling it for $1,400, and it's like only 70 miles. But oh well, let someone else enjoy that amazing e-bike. Definitely was a great bargain, considering it retails for $2,400 plus tax. It's something I'm really considering too. I know it's like tops like a 36 miles per hour, but nowadays for our other bikes, normally that would have been a fast bike already for like in 2022, but now 2023 it's a decent speed. But once you feel like an electric moped going over 40 miles per hour, it's like an amazing feeling, the need for speed. So I'm okay that I missed out on it, and I was just going to convert it anyway. I gotta save some space and save some money. If anything, I need less bikes for sure. We're just counting out the ride here. We're gonna be back here tomorrow, about the same time. But tomorrow will be a meetup group ride. Some folks will be slower. I think some people are saying their max is 20 miles per hour, but that's all right. I like slow rides too. Yo, we got gas bikers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 motorbikers, gas guzzlers. Anything goes in this Rio Hondo bike path, I think. There's really no regulation of any kind, which is okay, I like it. It's not as regulated as other city bike paths. You don't have a full face helmet?
Just a motorcycle one.
Oh, that's what you use for EUC, right?
Right, the TNT one.
Okay.
But I got hit, so I gotta be careful.
I know, yeah. Here we go. It's a big rig.
I got hit right here.
Yeah, right here, yeah. Greg got hit in that spot on an EUC, and he was hospitalized for months. That's why he brings back bad memories for him. But I'm just glad he's back, you know, after rehab, and he's still using his EUC. That's takes guts to, you know, to come back from that. I think he shattered his leg too, or something like that. Pretty serious injury. All right, we agreed to get closer to the Renaissance Fair that's going on. That's why it's so packed this Saturday afternoon. We just kind of want to see what's, you know, get a little closer look without having to pay. Without having to pay the fees. Renaissance Pleasure Fair. Thank you. Thank you. $50? He's like, how fast do they go? 50. Well, this one goes up to 60 really, but anything over 50 is good enough. Alright, so these are people exiting from the Renaissance Fair. Yes. Just watch people with costumes. Thou shalt not attend the fair without proper attire. Are these all workers? It's a cool costume. Butterfly? Hello. And they're on something. These guys are on something. A Renaissance bug. This is like the entrance right here. Exit entrance. I saw one to bike through it. There's like no one anymore. Yeah. We can just say we're security. Was it always called Renaissance Pleasure Fair? Oh, I thought it was always just Renaissance Fair. I think they're exiting this car. Yeah, people are exiting. I think this is a cool shot here too. Let's take a picture of Renaissance Fair with our bike. I'll just sneak that picture in there. And call it a day. Well, that's as close as we're going to get to it. Let's head back for that sunset view. Alright, we're not going to wait for these traffic nonsense. We're not cars. We're just going to speed on out of here. That's the cool thing about these bikes. You're in and out of the party. Alrighty guys, that's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on a Super73 aerial rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Cops? We're street legal though. We're street legal. you pedal when there's cops around? Hi. Yeah. Alrighty. Have a good one. Alright, this is where we split. Nice to have a neighbor, EV rider neighbor. Later, Greg. Greg looks like he pedals when he sees the cops around on an Onyx. I don't know why. It's a street legal bike. There he is. Alright, for real this time. We out. Peace.